Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Fari friend. Today in this video I will show you how you can use your YouTube as a music player in your Redmi Y3 mobile phone. You can use your YouTube. So I will show you. So first of all I will show you that I am using Redmi Y3 mobile phone. Here you can see. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your setting. I am already in my mobile phone settings, and you have to then go to this special features options in your Redmi Y3 mobile phone. Here you have to enable this video toolbox. Just enable this first option, second option, and then from this last option, manage videos, apps. Here you have to select this YouTube. As you can see, now you have to simply go to your YouTube, and here you will get this one line on left hand side here where I am clicking. After clicking on this line, you will get this video toolbox. In this video toolbox, you will get this option where I am clicking on my mobile phone screen. Play video sound with screen off. So it's then means what happened in this function, only your music will play with your screen off, like as in your music player. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.